Salut e bem-vindo a Edtech Simplified. Eu me chamo Esther e I am super happy to have you here. Eu simplify processes para todo mundo. Oh, that feels so great. Okay, so what I basically said is, hello, welcome to Edtech Simplified. I am Esther and I simplify processes for everyone, especially for you. Okay, if you have been trying to learn another language but it has proven difficult, don't worry anymore. I am here for you and I'm going to simplify the process for you by recommending 3 apps that you need to help you achieve your language learning goals. I for one speak about 6 to 7 languages and I am learning more. No, don't feel oppressed, don't feel intimidated. That is my path. I'm a language teacher, I'm a linguist. Everything language interests me a lot, so this is my path. Because this is my path, what I'm about to recommend to you, you should not take it with a pinch of salt. You should be serious about it because it is backed by research. Before I delve in, I would really like to appreciate everyone that supports me by subscribing to my channel, sharing my content, liking, and even engaging in the comment section. That means a lot. If you haven't subscribed, you can still do that. Just click on the subscribe button. Yes, that red one. Yeah, that's all you need. Thank you. Now let's get started. The first app is Duolingo. Yeah, Duolingo is quite common. Everyone hears that a lot. And Duolingo is a language learning app. But what makes it special and why I'm recommending it is that it is gamified and it makes learning easy. So if you want to learn in a relaxed environment, you want to learn subconsciously, now take note of that word, subconsciously, you should consider Duolingo. Not even consider, you should use Duolingo because the lessons are structured in ways that are repetitive. When you're learning them, when you're playing the games, you might not even know that you're learning at that point, but those things that you were hearing, those things that you are seeing, you're sort of going to acquire them. All right, so Duolingo is free, not entirely free, that's a paid version, but if you want the basic features, they are available for free, and the app is available on both iOS and Android. And there's so many languages on the app. Duolingo has varieties of languages, so you're not really limited. The lessons are well structured and the lessons are well patterned in a way that the more you do it, the more you listen, the more you learn, right? So Duolingo is the first app. The second app is Barbell. Yeah, I think maybe they got the name from Barbell. I don't know, I'm just saying. Barbell is a language learning system and it is a bit robust. It is more robust than Duolingo. Duolingo thrives on gamifying learning. Barbell thrives on a traditional approach of language teaching because it is more intense, and if you're concerned with grammar and you want to be more advanced with your language proficiency, then you should consider Barbell because the lessons are more intense. So if on a Monday you just want to chill, right, you don't want to do a lot of language learning or you don't want to task your brain, you can go with Duolingo. On a Tuesday, if you really want to take the learning serious, right, then you should go with Barbell, right? The third app is Hello Talk. I first came across this app in 2018 when I was in Brazil, and it performed a miracle for me. It was fantastic. It is still fantastic, and I would definitely urge you to try it out. So let's talk about the app itself. Hello Talk is a tandem learning app. When I talk about tandem learning, just think of trade by barter kind of learning. This is how it works. I want to learn English. You want to learn Portuguese. I'm a native speaker of Portuguese. You're a native speaker of English. So we exchange the language in a way that means that I will teach you Portuguese and you will teach me English right there on the platform. And this is an extremely natural, beautiful way of learning, because what you can talk about is not limited. You can talk about love, talk about religion, whatever it is you want to talk about. It's not restricted. It's a very natural way of learning. It's like an immersion, just that you are not physically in that country, but now you're relating with someone from the country that's a native. You can understand the culture through the person's perspective. You can understand the slangs, you can understand the accent. And the fantastic thing about this kind of learning is that your teacher, the person you're exchanging the language with now, is not necessarily a language teacher. So they're going to teach you in the most natural way possible. They won't sit you down and start teaching you grammar. They're actually going to teach you through conversation, just like you would teach them your own language through conversation. In summary, we have 3 apps serving 3 different purposes: Duolingo, Babbel, and HelloTalk. You may be thinking, but which of these apps do I need? You need 3 of them. Like I said before, they are serving different purposes. The first one, Duolingo, would serve you when you want to learn in a chill, gamified form. The second one, Barbell, will serve you when you need a more serious and well-structured learning. For example, Barbell will serve you when you need to learn more about the grammar. And the third one, HelloTalk, would serve you when you need to learn the culture and when you need to learn the accent from a native speaker. Again, the 3 apps are Duolingo, yes; Babbel, yes; and HelloTalk. These 3 apps come highly recommended, and please let me know if you're already using any of them. What do you think? How is it going so far? What are your own recommendations? So thank you again. I'm going to see you in the next video. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Bye.